Are you wanting some inspiration and some fresh cooking ideas on your low-carb journey? Do you sometimes wonder why your recipes turn out great and then the next time, not so much? Well, no need to fret. I've been there, and I'm going to help you with that. Greetings, friends. I'm Kim from Delicious Chemistry, where I'm creating lots of new and exciting low-carb meals and recipes for you. And as a science teacher who loves to cook, I'll help you understand the science of cooking and baking low-carb cuisine. Later, I'll share a secret with you about how you can get more consistent and successful results when you cook and bake, which you can implement immediately. So, stick around. Each week, I'll be posting a new low-carb recipe. Some of them will be familiar, but I've adapted them to be low-carb, while others will be recipes that I have created on my own. There are many different reasons that people are doing low-carb, but it's usually associated with weight loss or weight management, which is a perfectly valid reason. The reason that I chose to go low-carb was because of a serious health issue I had, which was high blood pressure. I did not want to go on medication because I get very adverse reactions to medications, even over the counter. So I started to wonder, was there a way I could lower my blood pressure naturally? I didn't even know if it was possible. So I started to do some extensive research to find out whether that was possible or not. And I found that there are people who have gone on low carbs consistently and been able to lower their blood pressure. Well, I dove into the deep end of the pool and I started to prepare all my own low-carb meals. And I took my blood pressure every day. Well, for me it worked. My blood pressure started to come down and now it is consistently in the normal range. As a result of this, it created a whole new passion where I combined my love of science and my love of great food. And that's how Delicious Chemistry was born. As I promised earlier, I'm going to share the secret for getting more consistent and reliable results when you cook and bake. The importance of temperature cannot be emphasized enough, because without understanding how temperature affects food, it's a constant guessing game that ends in frustration. One tool that I use is the oven thermometer. Now, this is in my oven at all times. Just to let you know how wildly different ovens are, I set my temperature of my oven to 475 degrees, and I timed it to see how long it would take. Now my oven beeps when it lets me know it's at that temperature. After 21 minutes, my oven beeped, and I checked using this thermometer, and the oven was only 275 degrees. It actually took my oven 43 minutes to get to 475. If I had put my chicken in the oven when my beeper went off, it would have been off by 200 degrees. That's an example of why people get inconsistent and frustrating results. The second tool used for measuring temperature is an instant read thermometer like this one. It's used to measure the internal temperature of meat and breads, and I use it to check the temperature of water when I'm using yeast. Both these tools are affordable. This one is about $12 and this one is about $15. You want to be the one in control of the temperature, not the temperature controlling you. In future videos, I'll teach you more secrets that will help you to become more consistent and successful as you cook and bake. I want Delicious Chemistry to become a community of people who encourage each other, and I want to support you and your health goals. If you want to join me, hit the red subscribe button below and the bell because it will notify you when I have a new video posted. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you would like to comment Let me know. Why are you currently doing low carb? Or if you haven't started yet, why would you want to start doing low carb? I am going to be posting a new video every Sunday, so look for it next week. And I'm going to be posting my very first low carb recipe, so don't forget to come back.